You might be asking yourself, who is never done projects?
Behind the house in that old 24 by 24, a dream was born, just a hammer and the floor. Daddy and me, we wrench under the moon, building classics to the whistle of a lonesome tune. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Rails paid the bills, but the shop fed the soul. We worked long nights to make the dream whole. From that little backyard to a kingdom of chrome, we built it together, turned iron to home. From burning tires to railroad steel, chasing dreams with grease on our heels. Now it's 8,000 square feet, 6 acres wide. The Snowman family's along for the ride. Under the lights, the engine's roar, burnout spinning, always wanting more. YouTube cheers from my family so true, living our best life, every day feels new. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year. Now we host the shows and the cars roll in, laughter and engines where dreams begin. From father to son, the legacy's clear, chasing smoke and steel year after year.
Well, hello everyone. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. It is Tuesday, October the 14th. We got 17 days to our first ever trunk or treat and 18 days until our appreciation day. I'm still trying to rally the troops and trying to get some things going. I got in, as you'll see, I got a phone call today. A kid had a flat tire. They parked the vehicle out here. The kid actually, his daddy works for East Coast Tires, which is where we get our tires from. And he wanted to know what I put a tire on for him. So I told him I would. And they come and put the tire on. I didn't have to do, I apologize, I forgot to turn the camera on. I did get it when I took the tire off and stuff, but I was on the live and it come out here and I didn't reach over and turn the camera on, so I missed that footage too. So one of these days I'm gonna learn we got a YouTube channel. But anyway, I'll get to that in just a second, but fixed the Mini Cooper tire. do my 6 p.m. live, which that's over with, and now I got to go up there and make the video. The live, for some reason, kept messing up. It messed up 2 different times, and I had to restart it totally once, and then I had to like stop the phone and start the phone, and luckily it reconnected. So I don't know, it was crazy tonight. Just been one of them nights. But I will go up there and make the video. It's not gonna be much, so bear with us. A few more days and I'll get some footage this weekend. But the guy that when he was here talking, he gave me his card, and that's probably gonna help me out because he's over the wheel part. And of course y'all know that my wife's wanting wheels on the Yukon, so that might be able to do what I need, so we'll see. But I'm supposed to get with him and let me know what he's got to fit that vehicle. So got the Mini Cooper gone, and the 6 p.m. live's over, and I'll go make this video soon. And I talked to the guy right before I left, or right before he left, and he said something about on the events and stuff like that, they come set up. So I don't know that he will, but I did throw it out there, him setting up here on either the 31st or the 1st, and showing the products. So that would be awesome if I can get him to show up, especially on Saturday, November 1st. That would be awesome if I could get him to set up a display and show everybody that shows up. That would be awesome. But anyway, like I said, that's what we got going on. We got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy, and please be safe. Randy and I living it right now of how life can change. So if we can help y'all out in any way to try to keep this from happening to you or your loved one, that's what we want to do. Take the extra time to make sure everybody's on the right page. Think about it and try not to freeze up. I know it's easy to say, but just be safe out there and take your time and try to do it right and be safe. Y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank you. Well, hello. Got here this afternoon and got some work waiting on me. Let's turn around here and see what it is. The guy did call and said he left it parked here. Don't think I can patch that. What do y'all think? Do not think I can patch that. But let's see. Yeah, let's see if we can go get the jack and maybe get it off of there and get it ready. He said he would bring the tire. His daddy actually works for where we get our tires from, so he's supposed to come here. Let's see if I can get the jack up and get that wheel off before he gets here. Maybe it'll be ready time he gets here. Get a smaller socket. Now I might need a ratchet. I didn't even think about doing that. That way I ain't got my back to you. Be right back. All right, let's go in here and see what we got. Be right back.